What's up, guys? I bought this 10 tire shoe rack from Amazon, and it came in this box. I will unbox. I have here some details. If you wanna read, just pause the video. Okay. Nothing special here, but let's open. Here, on the other side, here. Okay. Okay. Cement things here. Let me see if I find any manual or instruction. Little hammer. I found it's probably the instruction right here. Okay. Shoe rack installation instructions. If you want to read, pause the video. Okay. It's gonna take a while, so I'll pause the video, assemble, and show you. Okay, it's done. So this is the shelf of shoes. So we have 10 tire shelf, and it's okay. I can't complain. I took around 30 minutes to assemble it. I put two pieces here because they are like leftover, so I decided to put those two pieces here, and I hope I will be able to put, I don't know, shoes. And okay, I put the position, I put some shoes here, and I'll be back. I'm back. So I put my shoes, at least the shoes we had, right? And pretty nice, pretty reliable. I'm pushing here, and also I still have space because it's pretty large. And over here I put an umbrella, and yeah, so I had a good experience. For the price I paid 50 Canadian dollars. I can't complain. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like, and see ya.